With the Christmas season in full swing, the mayor of Montego Bay is fearful that crime will affect business in the second city. Homer Davis is therefore calling on the police to take decisive action. With the number of murders in St. James already over the 300 mark, Mayor of Montego Bay, Homer Davis, says he's just as concerned as other residents.
What we are seeing down here is a type of gangland type activities that probably only see it in movies.
Now, the police argue that the majority of killings are linked to gangs and lottery scamming. Mayor Davis wants something to be done, as innocent people are sometimes caught in the crossfire due to sporadic shootings.
So they trail each other by using telephones and using other means, and they don't care where they are. They execute their vengeance. And in that process, innocent people got shot and killed. Children.
With 3 weeks before Christmas, the mayor is now calling on the police to take decisive action to curtail violence producers. A lack of action, he says, may have serious implications on the parish's economy during the busiest shopping period.
It reaches a point where, the citizens of Montego Bay and St. James in general are very fearful. And with the Christmas season coming, we might probably even see less people on the streets, and that would not be good for commerce or commercial activities.
A motor vehicle accident claimed the life of a man in Portland this morning. Reports are that about 4:15, a Toyota motor car was heading towards Long Bay when the driver lost control of the vehicle after swinging from a pothole. The car then crashed into a wall. The victim's stepmother, Norma Powell, said she traveled with her stepson this morning.
Everything was okay. And then he took us up back. We say, okay, we are ready to go. And he took us up back. And then he leave us and he dropped us and he said he's going to come back to pick up his friend. And he make that trip okay. After he make that trip okay, I didn't even know that he come back down again. And then it was in the third trip that happened. This morning, we didn't had got up as yet. And we just see somebody come knock the door and was telling us that Jason died.
4 passengers who were injured in the accident remain in hospital.